Well, good morning, everyone. Well, it's afternoon for you, but I work the night shift, so I'm gonna do some 45s. See if you can keep up with the old man. I feel like I just got out of high school. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I always like to get 12. I'm trying to get ready for work. I always like to get 12 if I can go to do a good 12 without too much effort. We'll raise the weight. I had it higher before, but go on a fasting diet, you lose some muscle mass. So now we did the biceps, we're going to do the triceps. I guess we could go with the same 45s. See if that's going to work. Take the gloves off because less grip with the gloves on. Ready? Oh, it's hitting my hat. Hold on. Knocks my hat off. It gets messes up my mojo. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's good for today. That's all I got time for.